Now I'm just supporting the top of this wood right here. 1/8 inch birch wood. I have this right here, this plywood piece, just kind of pushing it up just to hold the glue around, because this is where the vent's gonna go. And I'm just propping this up just a little bit while the glue dries. Then I'll cut another piece there, and I'm adding a spar in the very back because there is no spar on the very back right here, so I need to add one. I'm going to do that right now, so when I lay the wood, I'll have it all the way around. So I took this piece of wood and I put it on the outside, and then I traced all of my lines right where my spars were going to be. And so you can see I just put a bunch of pinholes in here with my nail gun, and it's coming out good. All of this part's going to be covered. You're not going to see any of this, but so far this is the inside. Looks really ugly, especially over here, because this is 3/16 of an inch masonite, and it does not bend well, and it was a real pain in the ass, so I had to go and get this birch, 1/8 inch birch, and it worked really well. So if you're going to be doing this, use 1/8 inch birch. It'll work really good for you. So I'm gonna cut this piece right here. I'm gonna line this up against the wall and I'm just gonna trim it right here and then cut this out so this lays flat. So that, and same with the back one as well. That's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Okay, I cut that part out with the Dremel. So now I'll just be able to butt up that plastic edging right here and all this will be covered.